right, I'm here at Rochester Municipal Park with Colin. How you doing, Colin?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. And Colin is doing a bit of work, and we wanted to know, since you know about Miss Dig 811, what is one of the benefits of calling Miss Dig 811?
Well, you never know what's underground. Often gas lines, occasionally relatively shallow. Electrical lines are mostly okay, but sometimes. And cable lines, surprisingly, because I personally have dug through a cable line that was unfortunately mismarked. But it's always good to call Miss Dig.
Yes, one last question.
Sure.
What number do you call to reach Miss Dig 811?
811.
You got it. Thank you so much, Colin. You have a good day.
You have a good day.